Yeah, today's video is gonna be very different because we're trying a game called My Voice Zoo. Okay, it's on Steam for like £2. It's kind of similar to MSN, so okay. Whoa, is this as I get to take care of starting today? I have to make. What? Oh, yeah, my friends showed me this game, so I have like no clue what it's about. Jeff. Hello? My name is Jeff, bro. No. Whoa! 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 Okay, Jeff. Jeff, come here. Alright. Evil man, sure. Whoa, ah, 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 ah. 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 This is peak. I genuinely really like this one so far. Ah, 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 okay, so like, what else can we do? Chorus camps. Okay. That is quite expensive. Yeah, more stuff. Duck. What should the goat's name be? Jimmy. I'm 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 Jimmy. Alright, next monster maybe? Oh my god. The next animal. I'm Jimmy. I'm Jimmy. Wait, we can record again. Oh, no, no, no. Sure. I'm gonna be even louder. I'm Jimmy. I'm Jimmy. Wait, who's this? Fox. Okay. Freaky. Freaky Fox. Sure. This video is so stupid. Alright, you guys can have suggestions as well if like you want to replace these sounds. Alright, let's do one more today. Actually, let's get started with that thing. I'm probably gonna make a part 2. Pango, why not? Just like MSF, I guess. Wait, no, I can't be recording. Let's do the next animal. It's a walrus. You know what? Let's go very stupid brain rot stuff with this one. Ready? Whistler. Taking out your cat for the Whistler. Taking out your cat for the Whistler. Sure. But this game also on YouTube, so yeah. Don't be surprised if you see some random stupid little animals. Oh. Wait, yeah, we should have enough time. Let's make it. Man. No, no. What should we call him? Marcus. That is the. I think that might be the stupidest one I've made. More to do. Perfect. Reindeer. Crazy guy. Perfect. Alright, let's listen to this amazing. This is just amazing, guys, isn't it? This game is so peak. This is kind of a strange video to make, but I feel like this game's similar enough to MSM that you guys like it, so. Bye.